It's now 8:15 on Sunday the 14th of August, heading out on yet another storm chase. Quite a big setup today, severe thunderstorms forecast. Excuse this angle, by the way, I'm driving here and I just set the phone on the dash, steering wheel's in the way. But we're out chasing all day, elevated thunderstorms since 5 o'clock in the morning over Tyrone, the Sperrins. Loads of rumbles, but because they're elevated, no structure, no images. There's a chance of surface-based severe storms this afternoon, but it never happened because of the cloud cover killed the solar heating. But now, back to elevated storms. It's late evening time. For the last couple of hours, there's been a very strong thunderstorm below the border. It started off around Mayo, moving northeast, slow moving. It's producing a lot of lightning and torrential rainfall. It looked organised and sheared actually on the radar. And it's moving into an environment here on the border of Northern Ireland on over about 30 plus knots deep layer shear. So I'm hoping the storm will stay active. I'm not expecting any structure, but I'm hoping to see some lightning. It's still dark enough here in Northern Ireland yet for a night shoot, but the light is dropping a little bit with the cloud cover. So I'm just hoping we'll get to see some sparks from this very active storm. It's currently tracking northeast over the border. Parts of it could be hitting near Armagh or Auchnacloy, even near Omagh, and maybe heading further east if it survives. So I'm heading to Omagh here to meet Paul Martin and hopefully maybe meet up with John Fagan somewhere as well. See what we can do with this storm. It is a very good storm, so I couldn't sit at home. I had to go out and chase it. The lure was too much. Behind it there are other cells as well. The Met Office have a rare amber thunderstorm warning out for Northern Ireland this evening and tonight. So we're hoping there's more elevated storms after this one. It's been a long time since we had a night show, kind of night lightning, so I'm hoping tonight is the night. I'm trying to drive as safely and as fast as I can here to Omagh. I'm currently on the Cookstown to Omagh Road, and the visibility is pretty bad. There's almost like a very low haze or mist, so it'll be difficult to shoot night lightning unless you're on an elevated viewpoint, or maybe the rain will clear it out a bit, I don't know, but it is what it is. So I'm going to head it here and see what we get. I'll check in later. Okay, on our way for a late evening storm chase, heading towards Omagh and County Tyrone to meet up with Paul Martin to intercept an organised, elevated, very strong thunderstorm that's been going for several hours. Whether or not it's still alive and it meets us, I'm not sure, but when I left the house, it was flashing away with a lot of in-cloud, lightning and CGs. Very big red and white cores on the radar. The forward side of it seems to be strengthening as it tracks slowly northeast. The sheared aspect of it definitely looked somewhat like supercellular traits. Very interesting storm. Best one in the whole country. So we'll see. I just need the light to drop. It needed to get darker to see these sparks. So we'll see how I get on from here. Okay, it is now 9:05. I've met up with Paul Martin in Omagh and we've changed location to near Ballygolly. We met John Fagan. For looking at the radar, the cell seems to be shifting a little bit more eastward, so we're changing our intercept position to somewhere between Auchnacloy and Armagh. We're not quite sure yet. We're just trying to find some decent countryside that's open where we can see the storm. The bottom south end of the storm is still going, still producing lightning. Definitely very well organised thunderstorm. So in front of me there is Paul with his partner Tracy, and up ahead John Fagan. We'll see how we get on. Okay, we're continuing further south now, outside Auchnacloy. I just seen the first flash of lightning of this evening. The sail is very elevated. I can see the Castellan's sort of laminar look to it on the forward flank side of it. Whole big wall of precip, in-cloud bolt, and I can hear a lot of distant rumbling. So we're trying to get to the southern end of it, so we're a bit closer to that big updraft that's organised. But looks like we're getting close to a good location here. The storm is kicking off. We're in the right area, more or less. We'll see what we can get. Okay, we're now on our thunderstorm. The forward flank of it to my right hand side. There's some precip in front as well. We're still trying to find a good position, a good view of the sky. But I'm seeing flashes of lightning here to my 10-11 o'clock. Very regular. I got a call from Nigel. That storm has a white core on radar. Yep, the sky's lighting up with lightning here, almost purple. Right, here we go, we're pulling over. Okay, hold on. Okay, we pulled over here, way to the south of Auchnacoy. We're struggling to find a good location, but we've pulled over the side of the road. The whole sky's lighting up beside us here. Whole forward flank of this highly sheared storm, and away to the left, the updraft's hidden behind the trees here. It's flashing away, very active, very strong core on radar, and we're here with everybody. Paul, Tracy, John. Whoa!
Oh, this is the one.
It's very hard to pick them up, but
Aye.
Nice. She's getting.
I'm not getting any of them. There's two storms there.
Is there?
Aye.
Whoa. I think it's going to get better. Whoa. This guy's not dark enough yet, you know. I'm picking it up. Oh,
Wow.
it's getting better.
Wow.
It's getting better.
I should have thought.
I'm below there, so it dropped a wee bit. That's one, I think. 198.
Whoa!
Nice.
There's two areas of lightning there, you see that? There's one back in here. Is that CP vlog, wouldn't it?
That's actually a back bottom.
Wow. And that's the second cell behind it.
Wow. A wee bit closer.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Let's check that.
See where these are coming out. It's really difficult to shoot.
Make it lucky.
Oh, CG got it. Have to. Might have got that with the start.
I hope that.
Oh,
Oh,
seen
wasn't
it.
even-
Seen it. Proper.